Hi there, my name is Boris. We're in my channel as usual, and today I also in garage again, and I doing some maintenance service with my motorcycle, and it's oil change because I'm not sure what soil at in this motorcycle old owner, and I want to know what is it, and I will change it, and I will um, sure, and I will be know about this. And I don't know doing these activities, but I have to because we don't have in Astana in Kazakhstan a lot of workshops, a lot of service stations, or maybe dealership stations. No, it's not enough these places in our city, and we need to do and we have to do all a lot of our services, a lot of our service work, our own hands. But I don't like it. And I changed my oil already, and it takes more than 1 hour, maybe 1 hour and a half, and I could spend this time with my wife for my education, for something else, but I spend this time for maintenance. But it's okay because I like motorcycles, I like riding, I like training, and I have to do it with my maintenance if I want to riding. Um, but what about this motorcycle? Oh, I have some moments about maintenance with my tires, replacement with my oil, with my front fork, and with my brake pads, and it's a lot of money. But it's okay because it's a big motorcycle. It's pretty mm, expensive, not a big price, but it's a little higher than I expected. But okay, and I waiting for my summer, more warm weather, more free time, and I want to spend this time on this motorcycle with my wife on the weekends, and we will go into Baravoye, or maybe Balkash, or maybe something else. And also I want to show you these places, uh, and I waiting for. Thank you for watching today, and see ya. Bye.